Tracing techniques for creating CNC files. Tracing method number 1. Just freehand draw with the pen stylus. Wherever you draw is what's going to go in the file. Very good for things that are changing all of the time. Tracing method number 2 is lines. Switch to lines. Just digitize points at the beginning and end of lines and get nice straight lines between those points. Very fast, easy, and get great lines. Come over here to the other side. Finish up those lines. Tracing method number 3, arcs. Arcs, just do 3-point arcs, midpoint to endpoint, and you get nice, great arcs. Tracing method number 4, curves. Just digitize points along a curve, and then the program will put a nice smooth curve through those points. Tracing method number 5, 3-point circles. Just digitize any 3 points on a circle and get a nice great circle. And with these 5 tracing methods, we can trace anything and get a very accurate DXF file for a CNC machine.